No nsiabaha Adom TV Badwam kase bona ebraso no ye no obade na se so ahye so amade pa bi atien sedanko a edinya meje so ene abena pokua hwennie anopai no nsia kase bonsema didi kan GEOP no National Education Week celebration ekoso no na empanyifo aboso eka pi no mode baye ewo nwomasuo mode bo ankwada yo mo ewo free emfiensia edikosi emfie dunsia sebeye na eba na ehumasuo wo mo ebenya bi titinu wo mo a wo mo edida emontenso no
concept about the projects in the say Omoba be taking out of school children off the streets, children between the ages of 8 to 16 years off the streets. Normal momo take you through the accelerated learning program. Your papa mo friend is CBE. And no 9 months literacy and numeracy program. Into your now their transition to mainstream schools where they will acquire knowledge within the mainstream schools.
And which opening Imano Kufie Duesan in Semsi Eka.
Yeah, we are in the process of signing Lot 7. Lot 7 near Greater Accra and Greater Kumasi, which is the Ashanti region. Nyame Adom, so the focus will be on children between the ages of 8 to 16 years. It was our regency. A bare district more than Greater Accra was 7 regions, Greater Kumasi was 11 regions, a total of 18 sorry
na enwomasuo mu anon kwadaya ekire wasi social na afiwe mu sese na kasa wo resource social no ensunsanso ebebaban ede waye kefoka eno no mo chesan hweye ebemanaka ensinsemu kakra.
First of all, for BEC 2024 na kan nyina 95.837 million Ghana cedis na abayetua emo 90.899 nti akabes on 4.937 was a binding mine. Now about was na for 2024 a canning 186.437 million. And I realized kakran so ewo a year 2022 I realized 9.972 and 2023 I realized near 30.492. Inti udi bom wanaska no emodu ye na aban ama yen sika for 2024 umetua yen 75.976 million into hwa sika na aka no okana nyina bom a ebeye 155.863 eye BC IRS ne was IRS udi bom a ne nyina beye 155
ya wakasa ye John Kapi ono ene kasa Emma West African Examination Council wayek na enra na omampani na adodankwa Akufo-Addo ekopie mu ewo Flower Point interchange wo maye no kobia no yo manfo mu enamu efi Bema Camp bypass boundary road no wo mode eja wo mbefa so no wo chese no beboa ama akone abadi wo manfo mpotem wo no ho han wo.
We're building a new Ghana, one where roads, bridges, schools and hospitals rise as symbols of a nation that works for everyone. It is fitting then to acknowledge that this administration has constructed more roads and interchanges than any other in our nation's history. In the Greater Accra region alone, we have completed the Pokwase Interchange, Tema Motorway Interchange Phase 1, Obetabi-Lamte Interchange Phase 1, the East Legon Underpass, and today, this Flower Pot Interchange.
As you may be aware, certain development partner-funded projects, including the Tema Aflawo Road, have faced unavoidable delays.
Na mampali na adodankwa Akufo-Addo no wode atuja se enya de ya Ghana-fo ebesan akodum so mu te se de wo mu hunu ye beye mfie na wo mampani dada John Dramani Mahama na mamomu no de se boyina tuja ebra early thermal power plant ekpon tema ho wo mo ekopa hontuma ya eno no eye ne fa edikan ene ehu dwumadi.
In pursuing energy independence, we recognize the reliable power is the foundation upon which the aspirations for a prosperous Ghana are built. Each step we take towards energy security is a step towards realizing our potential as a self-sufficient, globally competitive nation. All of us remember the unfortunate, difficult periods of Dumso between 2012 and 2016 under the presidency of the perennial NDC presidential candidate, John Dramani Mahama, when systematic power outages disrupted lives and livelihoods across the nation. Those challenging times tested our resilience and our resolve as a people. Today,
Oswafo no ehye ahunidie ho sem so maimo Lydia Sarah Malhassan wode ato Ghana ni bia nim eso bia ehye se abonten so agyanan kɔ baabi abenya bia na wakoto eja wonan no wose yade wo so manfo nyina boa na oman no etwa so no achi so se wusi dan bomoden se ode agyanan bia ebekom se de be yo manfo betena mu so ebenya baabi ayom ho yie.
Have been put in place, household toilets have been put in place. We are pleading with all the communities, with the household toilets, to use the household toilets that have been provided, to use the institutional toilets that have been provided. We should stop going to all those unapproved places to do what we do. It actually creates problems and causes sickness among us, especially women and children. All that I'm saying to you is, please, there is a toilet, even if not in your home. There is a toilet closer to you. Get to it and use it.
Na orapo bosuo no na ye kwanche for penyo da CSIR na wode atodwa kyerese akuafo ene no wiase ne konanim abefo kwanso ena obi ade di dwumati kuadwuma nankasa no akuafo no hwe no musua abefo kwan ne nimudie ya ombese mu kena mo dwumadi akoso
zi fufuru bi ba another ma ya kan the technology na innovation oba yes I pharmacy there won fanye adwuma na won kada o meziminyim there dam ebroyi ona na no yedua ona na kwana yedua fa no dama na meziminyim temensesa say yansesa yan yan kwana yansesa yanfa abefo juma aba hwehwuma aba na yamfa nye juma ono de bia ya betena Adom ya fantefo waka no ya betena he ABC no mu.
Executive Director Emma Koraf Mumuni Savadogo enso di tudwa se.
And we know that agriculture is the backbone of our economies, and that's why we are convening this symposium, which is the gathering of science.
Emo eye aduane ba ko ya na ehonsem kanye wo maimo ni dia na ne dodom so man benye beso no ya na ase enkomo no ekwachi na eno ene nam so amagrebe no eye Ghana Rice Interprofessional Body wo mo enikali Ghana de wo mo sa hwente ase apam so a wo mo behwe emudua ne nkan ko ene ne dodom a wo man no ebenya
ye pese ye hu fi prot aban ewo robia o play wo agric mu. You can't take government away from agriculture. Na ye kan say enu bi wo ho a sese no yen Ghana Rice Interprofessional Body ye emo ho adwuma ye mpese ye de ye re nyina be hye abam na de bia na ya ka chi kakra ye mpese ade ni biom sese nyame adom computer wo ho telephones wo ho nipa timi tu kwan e betimi akwa mono ne na ade ne ne input dealers akwakọ ye negotiations na amaba be boante sese ne ne ye ne Kali Ghana assign MOU ya ye de ba be ye adwuma throughout the whole Ghana.
Enuechi no Managing Director de Kali Ghana Bernardo Kutu enso echire ni nti a wono de wontoma ebebo greba no ani wode wonsa ahyenkrate yi ase
yatena Ghana ehu se every year bia ye dede
mejina ensemi so na media no pa no sia kase bobedwam so de medi ni nyina asiedin amegye so ene abena pokoa wennie me pacho ye twai ho ye ba da bokrata no na poso oman hene kwabna asante beka me ho ne dia ma wo ene ade achew da nyame ase ye